Let's make another account on Roblox Mobile. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android. And the first thing we need to do is get to the More option at the very bottom right. You can see those three dots. Within here, we can always create a new account to be able to sign in and switch back and forth. But to be able to do that, we first need to log out of this old account. And there you can see Create an Account. Now, keep in mind, the first thing it will ask you is your birthday. Just enter in whatever your birthday is. And then you can see username. Just enter in, again, whatever username you want. It has to be between 3 and 20 characters. And you can see it says if it's appropriate, it contains letters, numbers, and is not already in use. And then here you can choose the gender if you wanted to. After you've done that, you can hit continue. And then you'll need to enter in a password and set up that account. But then you'll be able to switch between one or the other account while playing Roblox.